Welcome. If you're looking to update your display name on the Roblox app for PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through every step so you can show off your new name in just a few clicks. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details and sign in. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Profile. This will take you to your personal Roblox page, where you can see your current display name, avatar, and other account details. Now, look for the Edit Profile button, usually located near your avatar or at the top of your profile page. Click on Edit Profile to continue. Next, you'll see an edit icon, often a little pencil right next to your current username or display name. Click on this icon. This is where you can make the change. Type in your new display name. Remember, your display name is how you'll appear to other players in games and across Roblox, so pick something fun and unique. Once you're happy with your new display name, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your display name will update instantly, and you'll see it reflected on your profile and in games. A couple of things to keep in mind. You can only change your display name once every 7 days, so choose carefully. Also, your display name must follow Roblox's community rules and terms of use. If it doesn't, it might be reset to your username. And don't worry if someone else has the same display name. Display names aren't unique, but your username always will be. Now you know exactly how to change your display name on the Roblox app for PC with the latest update. Enjoy your new identity in the Roblox universe.